Hi everyone, how you all doing? Hope your week's going well so far. So I've been to Asda midweek, Thursday's not midweek, but couldn't wait till tomorrow because I'm about to run out of water. I was going to get a 12 pack, I didn't want Asda's own, I didn't want a branded one, although I could have got a branded one. So yeah, I'll show you what I've got anyway. So as you can see, the first thing I've got is Vibrant and Crunchy Ranch Coleslaw Kit. I've had this before, I've not had it for ages. I really like it. I did buy this 3 hours ago and it's been in the boot of my car on a super humid day. But I did park under a tree, so hopefully it's okay. But I'm going to have that later on. I got a Tiger Bread baguette. Do you know what? I've not bought one for ages. It's the small one. They're 90p. I think the last time I bought one, they were like 45 for a small. So that was quite a shock. I did get a litre bottle of Highland Spring. I'm going to put that in the fridge. It should do. I feel like I might just have enough to get through the day, but I won't have any in the morning. So that'll do me for today. Got these like a month ago. They seem to work, but I'm not sure if they did or didn't. So just got them because I need some more because I don't have any left. I've run out of Diet Coke. I ran out yesterday. Obviously I'll be buying some tomorrow, and I basically knew I was going to get a Dr Pepper Zero, so I decided to get the 3 for 2 because I'll be getting 3 tomorrow anyway. They didn't have any orange Lucozade, so tomorrow I'll probably buy a 4 pack of orange Lucozade, or I might buy 3 drinks again, I don't know. So I've got 2 of the Dr Pepper Zero, and I've got the Monster Energy drink in pineapple, and that's basically everything that I got. It came to £8.45. If any questions, feel free to leave them down below. If you're new to my channel or you watch my videos but you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Press the notification button to get an alert when I upload next. I should be back Sunday with my weekly food haul. Have an amazing rest of the week, depending on what day this goes up. And thank you for watching.